Do you want to make slides like this? Well, you have come to the right place. Today, we will be learning how we could animate lines in PowerPoint. We will start with the basic concepts. First, I will show you how to make this two-line animation methods. For the simple one, head over to the Draw page. Select whichever painting tool you like, and make a basic arrow. Now if you have Office 365, or any other Office version above Office 2019, you will have the option to animate any drawn line using this animation. However, this method is limited due to the lack of customizations to the drawn line. So, how do we overcome this? By using a method I call the hidden line. To start, head over to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and choose any line tool you like. I personally love the curved line, so I will use it. Once you are happy with your line, press Enter to stop adding more points. Now you can customize this line the way you like it. Increase thickness, add dashes, arrow ends, and more. You will notice that the animation is no longer available as it only works for the drawn lines. Now here is the trick. Head over to the Insert tab, Shapes, and add a rectangle that covers the entire arrow. Then make the rectangle have no fill for now to be able to help see the animation. Head over to the Animation tab and select the rectangle. Add a line animation to the rectangle. And adjust its motion based on the line direction. Make sure that the end point clears the entire line surface. And then we are finished. Right-click in the rectangle and choose Format Shape. And choose Slide Background Fill. I will explain why later. And choose No Line for the rectangle outline, and we are good to go. Now why slide background instead of normal solid fill? That to make it less tedious if we ever decided to change the background color. You can see with this way, no matter the slide background color, the rectangle will have the same color. Now what if we are working with a more complex line with lots of curves? We'll start with making a line similar to before, but with more curves and turns. Modify it the way you like. And try making the same method as before. This may cause an issue as some parts of the line will appear before others. How do we fix it? Instead of using line motion animation, try using a custom line animation. Start from the center and try to replicate the same line you are trying to cover. Once you are happy with the path, press Enter to save it. You can modify the custom path later by heading over to Effect Options and choose Edit Points. Modify the shape of the path to better match with the line you are trying to cover. Now, if the rectangle doesn't entirely cover the line during the animation, try resizing it till it best fits. And there we have it. You can further enhance it by adjusting the durations and how smooth the animation for better looks. Now for some example of use cases for this method. There are multiple ways in which you can use this technique. My favorite use case is for showing plans. I used both methods here for the 2 arrows I have to help guide the viewer to what is next. And if you have the time, you can go extra with the animations and make something like this. All of slides used here are available in the video description. A note worth mentioning is don't use this method with complex backgrounds. Sadly, PowerPoint lacks the means to have a dynamic sampling for the shapes, so better use it with a more of a solid background color. A bonus use case is you can apply the same method with text for a cool reveal animation for text and imaging. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas or tricks you want to learn, let me know down in the comments. Thanks again and see you in the next video.